Hello guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today, I'm going to show you this new platform called ACNFT, where you can buy NFT and sell NFT at your own choice. So right now on this platform, every day, let me go to the market. Every day an NFT increase by 2% every day. For example, as you can see this NFT here right now, as you can see, currently the price of this NFT is 10 USDT. 10 USDT. If you look at this one here, this one is 100 USDT. That is the price right now. So by tomorrow, before you will see it, this NFT will increase by 2%. 2%. That is, you can sell your NFT if you like by tomorrow. You can sell your profit or you can sell everything together. You can check the 2% of 10 USDT, which is $10. 2% of $100. You can check it. So that is how the NFTs work. It will increase by 2%. Sometimes it can increase more than that daily, as you can see this one here right now. This one was published some week back. If you look at it, it was published on last year. You can see it. If you look at it, it was published around 10 USDT, which is 10.99 USDT. And right now the price is now 101 USDT. So you can see it. If you want to sell it out, you can sell it out here. So as you can see, so this person, let's say you purchase it at that period at this price, so you are selling at this price. You can see the amount you have made on this NFT, over 90 USDT. You have made over 90 USDT on this NFT in 2 to 3 months. So you can see them, look at them. So this NFT you are seeing right here, this one was just purchased, it was just opened for trade today. This one was just open for trade today. This is it. You can see the date. You can see the date. Today is 5/3/2023. So this is the current price right now. So before you will see, by tomorrow, you will see a percentage plus here. It can be 2% up or more than that. The more people purchase this NFT, the higher the NFT will go. So you can see this one. So that is how it works. So currently these are the trading NFT. This one was just launched, publishing. It's on publishing right now. If you want to purchase it, you can quickly purchase this one right now. And all these one are on trading already. They are on trading already. So you can see this one was published on with 9.99 USDT on this date, and this is the current price right now. So that is how the NFTs work. They increase every single time, every single day. They increase. As you can see, this one price is now 28.69 USDT. So that is how the NFT. You can see more of them. You can see many. You can see this one here. This one was listed with 9.99, and right now the price is now 50 USDT. So that is how the NFTs work on this platform. You can see this one was launched with 9.99. Right now the price is now $75.56. So that is how it work on this platform. So you can purchase any NFT of your choice, and every day they will increase by 2%. So if I go back to my account right here, if I click on mine, you will see that I have 12 USDT there, 12 USDT. So I'm going to use it to purchase an NFT for and to show you how to purchase an NFT. I'm going to show you how to deposit, how to make a deposit, and how to make a withdrawal on this platform. So let's see. So as you can see my asset right here. You can see I have 12 USDT up here right now. So let me go back to my to market. Let me use it to purchase an NFT. So right now I want to use it to purchase this new NFT here, this one here. So after you have the money on your wallet, on your account, click on buy. You click on buy. So how many NFT do you want to buy? I want to buy with 12 10 USDT because the price is 10. Yes, let me check it very well again. The price is okay, 10 USDT, and I have 12 USDT here. So what you will do right now is to purchase the NFT here. To purchase the NFT, so you will enter the quantity of NFT you want to purchase. You will enter the quantity here. So you will enter it here, you will input it here. I want to buy one. If you want to buy more than one of that NFT, you can just type in two, which will make it to you 20 USDT. If you like, you can buy up to 10 of it. That is 100 USDT. So I'm buying one right now because I have 12 USDT in my wallet there. So right now you will click on buy. Click on that, click on this buy here. So I have clicked on it, Ethereum token exchange token. So right now it's purchasing right now. You will see it. So let's just wait. As you can see, successfully exchanged. If you check back my account, we see that I now have 12 USDT left here in my account, in my wallet. You can see it here. Let me refresh it. Let me check here. I'm coming. So So you will see that my 12 USDT is here. So that means my asset is there. You can sell it at any time if you like. So the next thing is, let's go to my collection. My collection here, let's see our NFTs. So if you click on your collection, wait for it to load. So I'm in my collection right now. As you can see, this is the contract address. This is my contract address in which I used to purchase the NFTs. Creator fee is 5%. The chain is Ethereum, from Ethereum token standard ARC 1155. So that is it. That is everything. That is how it's that is how the NFTs work. Oh, so let's that is how it is. I have purchased the NFTs. So for example, let's say you want to withdraw on this platform. You will click on withdraw here. So after you click on the withdraw, you click on USDT TRC20. This is it here, and input the amount you want to withdraw. Let's say you want to withdraw $2, which is 2 USDT. You input the amount there here. As you can see, I have $2 left. I can withdraw. So they have an handling fee. They have an handling fee. So right now, based on what I want to withdraw, they don't there is no handling fee for this one. So I'm going to collect the actual amount of 2 USDT. So right now, guys, I want to withdraw this money, and let's see if this platform is going to pay us or not. Maybe this platform is going to pay us or not. I'm withdrawing to my trust wallet, so I will click on withdrawal and input my Google verification code, which is my authentication code, to confirm everything. So let me go to my authenticator code now and copy the code out. So here is my authenticator code. I've copied it. So I'll come back here and paste it here. Okay, so you click on okay. Withdrawal amount is less than $5. So right now, guys, keep on waiting for my next video. I'm going to make this next video when I make up to $5 in my account. That means I'm waiting for 2 3 more dollars to get into my account, and I'm going to make the withdrawal for you guys to see. As you know, I always do my things with proof to show you everything on this platform. If you want to recharge on this platform, you will click on recharge here. Just click on recharge. Now input the amount you want to recharge. Let's say you want to recharge $20. You can recharge $1. You can recharge more than that. You can recharge 10 based on the amount of NFT you want to purchase. So let's say you want to recharge $20, 20 USDT. You input the network currency, which is USDT TRC20. Then payment, you click on payment, copy the wallet address you see up here, copy it and send the amount of 20 USDT into it. Send the amount into it. So that is it. That is it. When you send it to it, in less than few minutes, you will see the money in your wallet here, asset in your wallet. So that is how it works. Guys, try to register on this platform if you want to make money. If you want to make money, try to register here. Again, you can sign in every day on this platform. Click on check in now. As you can see, check in. So as you click on check in, the platform currency 3.12. So as you click on check in, I think the platform should give you some free bonuses when you click on check-in. So that is how the platform works. So guys, keep on waiting for my next video. I'm going to make another video concerning this platform to show you the withdrawal proof. For now, if you want us to withdraw together, you can recharge, register and recharge. Check the description of this video and recharge, register and do your own. Let's make money together from this platform. So guys, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribing button so that anytime I drop another video, you will be the first person to see the video notification on your phone screen coming from YouTube. And at the same times, if you find this video helpful, please give this video thumb up, hit that like button so that this will improve the algorithm of this video. So guys, thank you for watching and see you soon on my next video. Goodbye for now.